Inside a high-volume adhesive manufacturing facility, carefully controlled raw materials begin a process designed to produce an instant bonding cyanoacrylate. A cyanoacrylate-based feedstock is transferred into the controlled processing system, where the adhesive formulation begins to take shape.
Additional formulation components are introduced under controlled conditions. The exact commercial formulation remains proprietary, while industrial dose inside the controlled processing vessel, the formulation is blended under monitored conditions. This continues until the adhesive reaches the required production. Before packaging, production samples are checked against the required quality specifications. Only approved material proceeds to the filling line.
After the adhesive has been processed and approved, it is transferred to a precision packaging line, where controlled quantities are filled into the small consumer packs.
Each filled tube receives its dispensing closure, designed for controlled application and clog resistance.
Finally, the small adhesive tube is placed into its retail pack, completing the transformation from a filled tube into a ready-to-sell Fevikwik product. From controlled filling to final retail packaging, the small, instant adhesive tubes are now ready to leave the production facility and enter the market.